In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see reviews of guests on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign in to your host account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one listing, so you can access the right reservation details. Once you're in, head to Messages, Reservations, or Upcoming Trips, depending on where the guest booking appears in your version of Airbnb. The exact menu can vary a little between the app and the desktop site, but the goal is the same. You want to locate the specific guest booking you'd like to review. Next, select the guest reservation, or open your conversation thread with that guest. This is usually the quickest way to access their profile directly from an active or upcoming booking. From there, click or tap on the guest's profile photo or their name. That will open the guest profile page, where Airbnb shows the information available for that account. Once the profile opens, scroll down until you reach the reviews section. This is where you can read feedback left by previous hosts. Take a moment to go through these reviews carefully, since they can give you useful insight into the guest's communication style, cleanliness, respect for house rules, and overall behavior during past stays. If Airbnb displays an overall rating for the guest, check that as well. It can give you a quick summary, but it's still a good idea to read the written reviews for more context, since comments often reveal details that a rating alone won't show. You should also review the guest profile information beyond the reviews. Look for any available account details such as identity verification and other profile indicators. While not every profile will show the same amount of information, these details can help you better understand how complete and trustworthy the account appears. After you've finished reviewing the profile, return to the reservation page. This brings you back to the booking details, so you can continue managing the reservation if needed. Finally, use the reviews and profile information to help you make informed hosting decisions. Reading guest reviews ahead of time can be a helpful way to set expectations and feel more confident about an upcoming stay. And that's it. That's how to view reviews of guests on Airbnb quickly and easily.